Hello friends! Today I am sharing with you a recipe for a simple chocolate dessert that requires no baking. First we will make the cookie crumbs. For this we will need 5.3 ounces of cookies. You should end up with a crumb that looks something like this. Pour it into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and mix well. Now add 4 tablespoons of melted butter and mix until smooth. Our crumb is ready. Then pour it into the mold. First, level it with a silicone spatula, pressing it down. And finally, tamp it down with a cup. Now let's make the custard base. First add 7 ounces condensed milk. Then half a cup milk. Mix all this very well. Now add 5.3 ounce cornstarch. Mix until smooth so that there are no lumps. Pour 1 quart milk into a saucepan. Add our mixture. Mix well and put it to boil over medium heat. Cook until thickened, stirring constantly to prevent burning. When the mixture thickens, add another 3.5 ounces of milk chocolate and stir well until the chocolate is completely melted. Now add 1.75 ounces of butter and mix well. This is what the finished custard looks like. Pour into a mold. Smooth with a silicone spatula. Set aside and get the chocolate glaze. For this we need 3.5 ounces of milk chocolate, 4 tablespoons of hot milk, Mix until smooth. Also add 0.7 ounces of butter. And mix well again. Now pour the glaze over our dessert and smooth. Put in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss even more delicious and simple no-bake desserts and cakes. This is really delicious and very chocolatey. Enjoy and see you in the next video.